Hi everyone, Katie Risk here. I have a cold at the moment and I'm angry about it. I feel all snuffly, I've got a headache, I'm a little bit tingly, and I'm really pissed off that my husband gave it to me. But anyway, so I asked myself, should I be training? Do I need to take a break? Well, look, everyone has their own opinion about it. For me, it's all about listening to your body. And you might find that you might go to your normal class or you'll go for a walk or a run or your normal activities and your body's not going to feel quite as strong as it normally does. So if that's the case, pull back, listen to your body, get some rest, some light activity to get you in as you're feeling better, lots of fluids, lots of rest, and hopefully you'll be back out there soon. See ya.